So what I've got here is an Nextion display. So this is the original lightning detector. So there's your detector over there. There's the DS1307 RTC over here. There's your display, and I'm writing to it on serial 1. That is fixed text. Then you got intensity, fixed test, distance, and then the time, and that updates when there's a lightning strike. So that shows the time and date when the most recent lightning strike was. So as always, the code is in a pinned comment. I'm writing to T0, text 0, text 1, and text 3. Those are text blocks that I put in with the Nextion editor. And that's it. It's pretty straightforward what's going on here. There's your interrupt pin over there. So when it receives a signal, and also with the LED there that flashes, it reads the data from the lightning detector over there, and it displays what it found on the Nextion. So there you have it, a lightning detector with a display. This one seems to be working out alright. So ladies and gentlemen, have an awesome day further. I'll see you next time for more awesome stuff. Alrighty, bye.